out your first class English textbook. Open children. Collins English Grammar and Composition 1. First class English textbook. So children, last class already we learned a little bird, 25th lesson. Isn't it children? Yes. Now children, we learn today 26th lesson, ice cream. Yes, 26th lesson. Ice cream. Okay children, ready? Yes, read the passage. Read the passage. So children, here one passage is there. So read children. Renu and her friends Sudha and Seeman are in the playground. They are playing a game of catch. It is evening. Renu and her friends want ice cream. So can we have ice cream? Renu asked her mother. Yes, my dear. Her mother says, but where is the ice cream man? He comes in the evening. Renu and her friends are waiting. Tingling, 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 tingling. What sound is the? Renu asked. It is the ice cream man. Her friends about. I want an orange lolly. Sudha says. I want a mango lolly. Seeman says. I also want the mango lolly. Renu says. The ice cream man gives us their three friends their ice creams. They are very happy. Thank you, Mama, Mummy, says Renu. Thank you, Auntie, her friends, says together. So what is this passage, children? So here, some friends are there. So Renu and her friends. One girl is there. The girl name is Renu. So Renu, friends, Sudha and Seeman. So here Renu friends. Who children? Sudha and Seeman, Renu, friends are in the playground. They all are where children? The Renu, Seeman, Sudha, they all are there in playground. They are playing a game of catch. So what is he playing children? They are playing game of catch. You know children that game? Yes. It's evening. What is the time children? That time? That is evening time. Renu and her friends want ice cream. Renu and her friend what children? He wants ice cream. Can we have ice cream? Renu asked her mother. So Renu asked her mother. What children? What she asked? She asked, can we have ice cream? Renu asked her mother. Yes, my dear, her mother says. So Renu mother says, yes, my dear. But where is the ice cream man? So Renu mother says, yes dear, but where is the ice cream man? So Renu mother says, he comes in the evening. Renu and her friends are waiting. So Renu says, mother, but where is that? He comes when children? He comes in the evening time. Ice cream man. Renu and her friends are waiting. So ice cream man, he comes in evening. Renu and her friends is waiting for ice cream man. Tingling, tingling, tingling. What the sound is that? So, ting, ting, ting sound is coming. So, Renu asks, what is this the sound? Renu asks, what is the sound? What is the sound children? Ting, ting, ting. Ice cream man is coming here. So, ting, ting, ting sound is coming. So, Renu says, what is the sound? That it is the ice cream man. Her friends shout. So Renu says this is ice cream man. So their friends are shouting. I want an orange lolly. So Sudha says I want orange color lolly, orange color ice cream. So I want mango lolly. Seeman also says I want mango lolly. So I also want mango lolly. Renu says. So I also want mango lolly. So Renu also want here mango lolly. So the ice cream man gives the three friends the ice cream. So ice cream man gives her friends and give three ice creams children. They are very happy. happy. So Renu, her friends, so they are very, very happy. Thank you, mummy, says Renu. Renu says her mother, thank you, mummy. So thank you, auntie. Her friends say together. So Renu friends says also, thank you, auntie. Understood, children? So here, children, Renu and her friends, Sudha and Seeman. So two friends are there from Renu. So they are playing with the way children playground. They playing with which game? Cat game. So in the evening, Renu wants ice cream. To that evening, Renu wants ice cream. So can we have ice cream? Renu asks her mother. So yes, my dear, her mother says. But where is the ice cream man? He comes in the evening. So Renu was, mummy, I want you ice cream. So Renu mother says, okay, yes. But where is the ice cream man? This comes to when? Evening. Renu and friends are waiting. So that time ice cream man is coming, ting ting ting. What is the sound is that? Renu asks. Is the ice cream man? Her friend shout, wow, this is the ice cream man. I want orange lolly, Sudha says. I want mango lolly, Simon says. I also want to mango lolly, Renu says. Here. The ice cream man gives the three friends the ice cream. They are very happy. So ice cream man give three ice creams. Their friends are very, very happy. So thank you, Mama, Renu says. Thank you, Auntie, Renu's friend says. Understood, children? Yes. So children, be bit. True or false? Right, true or false. Okay, ready children? Write neatly in your textbook. Yes. So first one, children. Renu's friends are called Sudha and Sonam. Renu's friends are called Sudha, Sonam, children? No, Sudha and Seeman. So this is what, children? False. Write neatly in your textbook. Second one. Renu and her friends are playing a game of catch. Are playing a game of catch. Yes, children, they play a game of catch, children. Yes. So answer is true. So third one, Renu and her friend are waiting for the balloon seller. Renu and her friends are waiting for balloon seller, children. Balloon seller waiting. So ice cream man waiting. So what is the answer here? Answer is false. He is waiting for ice cream man. Fourth one. Sudha wants a mango lolly. Mango lolly. So Sudha wants which ice cream, children? Here. Sudha wants here orange lolly. So this is false. Okay, children. Now fifth one. Renu wants a mango lolly. Yes, children. So Renu was here mango lolly, children. Yes, Renu was here mango lolly. So answer is what, children? True. Next, sixth one. The children say thank you to Renu for the children. So children says, whose children here? Children says thanks. Renu father, Renu mother. Renu mother. So here give Renu for Renu's father. So answer is here false. Yes, write neatly, children, in your textbook. Renu's friends are called Sudha and Sonam. So answer is false. Renu and her friends are playing a game of catch. True. Renu and her friends are waiting of the balloon sailor. Oh yeah, okay. So balloon sailor, false. Sudha wants a mango lolly, false. Renu wants a mango lolly, true. The children says thank you to Renu father. So false. Write neatly in your textbook, children. So first one, Renu friends are called Sudha and Sonam. So Renu friends are called Sudha or Sonam, children? No. So answer is false. Renu and her friends are playing a game of catch. So Renu and her friend are playing the game of catch, children? Yes. So answer is true. Renu and her friends are waiting for the balloon sailor, BALLOON, balloon sailor, SELLER, sailor. So false. So Renu and friends waiting ice cream man, children. So here balloon sailor. So answer is false. Sudha wants a mango lolly, false. Sudha wants which lolly, children? Sudha wants here orange lolly. So answer is false. So Renu wants a mango lolly, true. The children says thank you Renu's father. So children says here thank you Renu's mother. So here give to Renu father. So answer is false. Write neatly, children, in your textbooks. First one is false, second one true, third one false, fourth one false, fifth one true, and sixth one false. So write neatly, children, in your textbook. Yes, children, finish. So children, now once again read this passage, children. Everyone read this passage, children. Renu and her friends. Repeat, children. Renu and her friend Sudha and Seeman are in the playground. They are playing a games of catch. It is evening. Renu and her friends want ice cream. Can we have ice cream? Renu asked her mother. Yes, my dear, her mother says. But where is the ice cream man? He comes in the evening. Renu and her friends are waiting. Tingling, tingling. What sound is that? Renu asked. It is the ice cream man. Her friend shout. I want orange lolly, Sudha says. I want a mango lolly, Seeman says. I also want a mango lolly, Renu says. The ice cream man gives the three friends their ice cream. They are very happy. Thank you, Mama, says Renu. Thank you, Auntie. Her friends has together. Children, you have best friends, you have friends. You also playing in the park, in the catch game. Yes, you have like ice cream, children. Yes, everyone likes ice cream. Yes, children. So, understood, children, this lesson, 26 lesson, ice cream. So, ice creams have so many flavors, children. So, ice cream is cool. No, children? Yes. So, your lesson is done. 26 lesson. So, I'll give you homework, children. So, write neatly, children, homework. What is your homework? Yes, children. So, write true or false in your classwork book. Okay, children. B bit homework. B bit true or false. Write in your classwork book. Classwork book and read this passage, children. Okay. Once read the passage. Okay, everyone read the passage and homework, children, write true or false in your classwork book one time homework. Understood, children? So read passage, children, once. Everyone read the passage and write true or false in your homework book one time homework. Okay, children? When your homework is finished, you take the photo and send me school email ID, children, and read the passage. Okay? Understood, children? So will you meet you next class, children? Bye. Take care. Yes, children, write neatly in your classwork book, children. Homework, true or false. B, true or false. Write in your classwork book one time homework and read the passage. Compulsory you read the passage, children. Okay, finish, children? Yes, very good, children. Okay, bye.